Hello, 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 and welcome to another one of my tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your Xbox One controller to work with OpenEMU or anything that you want to play on your Mac. So I'm just going to demonstrate here. I use OpenEMU to play any games. I'm a fashionable guy, and as you can see, I'm trying to play. You can hear the buttons. Nothing's happening. What's going on? So there is a workaround, and it does work. My buddies and I were trying to play one night with 4 controllers, and we just did not know what was going on. So what you do is you simply go to System Preferences, download the link I have provided for the Xbox 360 controllers. Now, as you can see, it reads just fine, as you can see. But what you need to do is go to Advanced, and you need to set the controller to pretend to be an Xbox 360 controller. It's weird, but it works. So set it as that, and it's going to change it to 360 controller. Now, let's go back into to Super Smash Bros. Let it boot up for a minute. Oh, look. Hey, it works. Hey, it works. So there you go. That is how you fix your workaround if you need to use an Xbox One controller to play. Other controllers such as PlayStation 3 and PS4 controllers work just fine, and third parties as well, but this is the workaround for Xbox One if you have one extra one lying around. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day.